Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento. Today we are going to learn about the how to find the Magento 2 files responsible for the specific functionality. Okay, to find the files responsible for the certain functionality, search among the di.xml files, dependency injection configuration. Another way to search in a module or the theme layout files. If you need to find a certain blocks, the hints enabled in the store settings. Okay, so like suppose if you want I want to search for the specific file where it is functionality. So first thing what I do, I will look into the di.xml files, like if anybody doing the dependency injection plugins or something. Another way, I will search in a module on the theme layout files, like how it will goes on. Otherwise I will go with another setting, that is the template path hints. Okay, so how it we are going to enable it, go to the store configuration advanced and the developer. So go to the stores configuration developer. Okay, so here we have a front-end workflow, serviceless developer. Then we have a debug. So here you can see that you can allow IPs comma separated, like where you want to make a location to be empty. Here you can see that debug. Okay, so advanced configure advanced developer also provide a helpful type of search. Okay, so here we have the debug part, right? So here enable the template path hints for the storefront. If I want to make it this happening, enable hints for the store with URL. You can also enable it. Parameter Magento. So add the following parameter to the URL to show the template hints and the parameter value. Okay, so by using this one you were able to, let's save this and let's check this out. Okay, so let's first of all let's go to the stores. We have let's go to system, cache, flush. So let's go to the front end and see what will happening if I go with the test. And here what it suggests to write out. So here we have a parameter value should be add the following parameter to the URL. Okay, template hints equal to Magento. So here you can see that we are able to get which files are rendering over here. So this sections.html from front end template designs. So this which is this layout where it resides in. So you will get the each and template path ends and which are the blocks over here. Okay, so this is how you can debug it. You get the know what the files where it exists. Okay, so you can find out the Magento 2 files responsible for the specific functionality. Okay, so enable the path ends, so you will get the each in path from there. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.